Welcome back to another weekly Watershed Walk video. Today we are taking you on a tour of our Pleasant Ridge demonstration site. The KWRC have been working on this site since 1999 in conjunction with the landowner. We call this our demonstration site because it is a great example of all the work we do here at the KWRC and the difference it can make to our riparian zone over time. Let's take a look at some of the site's features. Here you can see that we've created a livestock exclusion zone to keep livestock out of the riparian zone, which helps keep the stream bank stabilized and healthy. The only place where livestock are permitted to cross is at this fording site, where the KWRC properly stabilized the banks. This allows the landowner to easily move farm equipment and allows livestock to cross between pastures and drink from the stream without jeopardizing the integrity of the stream banks. Near this fording site, the KWRC installed a rock sill. Rock sills have a multitude of functions, including improving fish habitat and increasing overall stream channel stability. In addition to our work focusing on the riparian zone, the KWRC wanted to improve the overall site quality for non-aquatic species. We did this through the installation of nest boxes, which are used by a variety of bird species, including wood ducks and songbirds. We also built this brush pile, which creates habitat for small mammals as well as birds. Last week, some of our staff spent some time at the Pleasant Ridge site tree planting to further enhance the riparian zone. Planting trees is a great way to increase species diversity at the site, as well as to prevent erosion and to provide shade to the stream. The KWRC had previously planted a variety of trees at the site, so our staff were spot planting to fill in any gaps in the riparian vegetation. As you can see, we had some supervisors who were very curious about the work we were doing in their pasture. The Pleasant Ridge demonstration site sits along the Millstream section of our watershed. We have plans to do more restoration work on the Millstream in 2021, so stay tuned. Thanks for joining us on another weekly Watershed Walk. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media to stay up to date on all of our projects. We'll see you next time.